Patients come in all the time asking me for a new smile. Sometimes they say, I'd like to get my front 6 teeth fixed. I want my front 6 teeth to look great. Well, I always counter back on that and say, I'm a smile doctor. I need to have the entire smile. The front of your smile actually, on a lot of patients, show more than 10 teeth. So that's like 60% of the smile in the frame of the smile that's in between the lips. So our patient here today, she has a gorgeous smile. She's had it done, but she didn't do the last one in the corner of her teeth. And you can see it's yellow, it's an old crown, it has a metal rim around it. And a lot of patients think it's their gum that they see this black around their crown and they say, why is it turning black? It's actually metal, and the crown is actually fused to metal. It's sort of old technology, still used today, but we don't use it since the 90s. We've advanced onto just pure porcelain. So what we do is we take porcelain and we fuse it directly to the tooth. What this type of crown is they took porcelain, they fused it to metal, and then they cemented the metal over the tooth. The problem with that is that the dentist has to take a lot more tooth structure away to add the metal substrate and then the porcelain. So we only need porcelain right to the tooth, and it's way more beautiful, and it seals to the tooth, and it looks like a real tooth because it's translucent, where the metal blocks light from coming in. That's why it looks opaque and looks fake. And so we don't use that kind of dentistry here. We just do porcelain, pure porcelain. And we try to go from one corner of the lips to the other corner of the lips to make me a smile doctor, and that's why it's called Perfect White Smile. Just to show you today, we're starting with just in the corner of her smile, and she hates it, and she's gonna walk out today in less than 20-30 minutes. She'll be walking out with a beautiful tooth. Yeah, so you can see I balanced the gum tissue so it's even with these other teeth. It's not high anymore. There's no more black line. The color looks even with everything else. And it's just temporary. Wait till the final result comes. That easy. PerfectWhiteSmile.com.